Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Want to make a fun cartoon version of yourself on Facebook? Here's how to create your own Facebook avatar in just a couple of minutes. First of all, go ahead and open the Facebook app and then tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap to see more and then click on avatars. Now you can either create it from selfie or you can create it manually. So let's click on create manually. Now get started with the skin tone. You'll have to pick any skin tone you want to pick. Next, what you're gonna do is pick any hairstyle of your choice. Once you're done creating your avatar, just click on done and then click on publish your avatar. You can either add extras like glasses, makeup or hats to match your style. Take your time until it really looks like you or however you want it to look. Next, when you're happy, tap the check mark on the top right corner. Facebook will save your avatar and you can use it as sticker in comments, messenger, chats or even set it as your profile picture. And that's it. You've created your very own Facebook avatar. Try it out and surprise your friends with new cartoon self. Don't forget to follow for more quick tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe button and do not forget to comment on my YouTube. I'll see you guys